Papi. We're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside our Web3Py favorites module, and we won't be running a project, not the project, we won't be running a contract today because yesterday we said that we were going to run it if it was still enough space to actually run the example, but we're too far along in the actual contract to run an example, so we won't be doing that. The next time we get back in our contract, we're going to be running an actual contract, so look out for that. So today we're going to do some light read, and we're going to pick up what we left off from yesterday. So it is important that we do this Web3 transaction count instead of just setting the nonce directly to 0, because the nonce is a unique number that is used to identify the transaction. And if we set it to 0, it could cause the transaction to fail if there are other transactions that have been sent from the account. This means that we need to use the get transaction count method to get the current number of transactions that have been sent from the account and use the value to set the nonce for the transactions. The Web3 sets the nonce to the current number of transactions that have been sent from the account, and this helps ensure that the transaction is unique and cannot be replayed. If the code compiles successfully, we can proceed to deploy the contract to the EVM. Once deployed, this is the information we have access to. We get the address of the deployed contract, the transaction hash of the deployed transaction, the bytecode of the contract, the ABI of the contract. We can use this information to interact with the contract, such as calling its functions or sending transactions to it. We can also use the address of the deployed contract to interact with it using the Web3Py or other Ethereum libraries. Now we're going to leave it right there because tomorrow I'm actually going to run a live contract for you, and I'm going to show you how we can use the deployed contract to interact with the contract. So we're going to leave it there for now. But stay tuned for tomorrow because we will pick back up where we left off. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.